What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a brand new review on a brand new collection that just dropped. This is by the brand Dedesignature, and she dropped a couple of things. Okay, she sprinkled some things, and she was kind enough to send me over some stuff in PR. So thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it when a brand sends me anything, because listen, you ain't had to. Okay, so thank you. So she sent over the palette, which is like the main star of the whole collection. This is the apple palette. They are known for doing fruit themed palettes, so she sent me that over. She also sent me this brush, which is super cute, and yes, the liquid moves. She also sent me over some lashes and some lippies, and I will be showing you guys swatches and going over my thoughts on the entire collection. This is dropping today, okay? So it is live on their website as we speak, November 5th, okay? Also, this is an African-owned brand, specifically Cameroon, okay? So it's Black-owned, African-owned, and she's from Cameroon, baby. I love it. I love it. I want to kind of just jump into the look. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, because you know I be doing more looks over there. Okay, and now let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's get started. I already have my brows fully filled in. I primed my eyes using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3, and this is the palette we're gonna be working with. So it is magnetic, so you just kind of like pop it off and like it sticks. I'm gonna first go into the shade right here called Honeycrisp. Alrighty, that looks really pretty. I like that. So next, I want to go into the shade called Gala, and I'm going to stamp this on. Oh, this is a pretty like wine shade. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so this shade is pigmented. I like that. Okay, so now I want to blend this out. I'm going to take this brush. This is the Morphe M562. And I'm torn between going back into that Honeycrisp shade, or do I want to go into this orange right here? I think I'm going to go into this orange. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to blend out. Oh yeah, I'm glad I went with this color. Okay, yes. I'm gonna just use that to like blend out this burgundy shade. Okay, so that blended nicely. Then I'm gonna go back in with that Luxie brush that I used to put on this burgundy shade, or this wine shade, and using the tip of it. So I was using the side of it to like pack on the shade. So I'm gonna use the tip of it and I'm gonna blend it into that orange shade that we just put down. All right, so this is really pretty, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into that Honeycrisp shade, which was the very first shade I put down, and I'm just gonna put this with the same brush I used, put it a little bit higher, because it kind of got faded, and I don't like when my shadow is just too low, and I don't have anything up here because it looks weird to me. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease off camera, and then we'll be back to kind of play with some more of these shades. But so far, I like this. This is pretty, and it matches my shirt. I didn't even realize that. All right, so the crease has been cut, and going back into the palette now, I'm gonna go into that shade Fuji right here, and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye. Oh, this is pretty. All right, so I left a little bit of space because I do want to play with this red shade. It's called Red Delicious, and I swatched it yesterday. I was just like, that might have to go on my eye. So I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna place this right here. So I really want to see what this is looking like, and oh, baby, that looks good. That looks really good. Red shades. Not everybody can do red eyeshadow. Let me just say that. There are some shades that were just like, I've seen better. So now we need to make this not look so ugly, because that don't look cute. So I'm just gonna take that that Gala shade, or Gala, whatever, that burgundy shade, the first one I put down, and I'm just gonna blend that here, so that way it, you know, just kind of sits nicely. And then I'm gonna go back in with this brush, and I'm just gonna like blend. Ooh, I'm gonna just pack that on top of like the shimmer shade. Actually, I was gonna like blend it, but I won't do that. So I'm just gonna pack that on like this. Actually, I'm gonna go into that Envy shade, this one right here. It's a little bit deeper than the Gala shade. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Sorry, I look in the monitor and like I just be hyping myself up. And then I'm gonna take this big, this fluffy brush. I'm gonna dip a little bit into Gala, and I'm just gonna bring this up because it's the burgundy shade is just a little too low for me, and like I want it a little bit higher up. Yeah, that looks better. And then just going back into that Honey Crisp shade and putting a little bit more of that here. So this looks really pretty. I'm very, very, very impressed with the quality of these shadows. So they also sent me over a pair of their lashes, and it looks like this. Isn't this so cute? Now the question is, how do I open this? So to open it, you gotta open it from the bottom, because I was about to like rip into this. I was like, I don't think it should be that way, because you know you're getting the cute packaging and everything. So these are the lashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm not gonna do a wing. No, I'm not probably doing a wing. I'm just gonna take the Point Made eyeliner by One Size Beauty, which, y'all, this eyeliner is black, okay? It is black AF. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and line, and then I'm gonna put these lashes on and show you guys what they look like on. All right, so these are the lashes, and they're cute. They're not as dramatic as I like to go, but they're definitely cute. This is in the style Fine as Wine Mink Lashes. So yeah, these are them, super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, do the rest of my face, and then they also sent me some lippies. So I'm gonna try these on for you guys, do like a little lip swatch. And yeah, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the video. Also, I'm gonna do swatches of the palette. So yeah, I'll be back literally in seconds. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and I love it. They also sent over a brush, which looks like this, and it's so cute because it has like liquid in here. It's like, you know, because my brother's calling me. Hello? I'm not at work, but I'm filming a video right now. Bye. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. So they have this, it's supposed to go like with their whole wine collection. I lost my train of thought, but yeah, I didn't use it because honestly, this brush is just too pretty to be used. This is gonna be for display. So this is what the brush looks like. Oh my gosh, oh, and it's so, oh, it's soft. Like, it is softer than I expected. And they do have like a red one, and I think the bristles are like also red too as well. That is gonna be for display. Now let's get into these lippies. First and foremost, I love the packaging, and I kind of like, it's a little weighted. It's not too weighted, but it is a little something. And they have actually 8 shades, and they sent me over 4. Most of them are the lighter shades. They have 3 darker shades that I didn't get, but it's okay because honestly, I like a light nude, so this is right up my alley. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense 3 lip liner. And I'm gonna try all these colors on with the lip liner because this is how I normally would wear it. I'm gonna start off with the lightest shade. This is the shade Bailey's. It kind of came a little broken, but that's fine because this is a color I'm looking at. I don't think I'm gonna wear this that often. This is light. Yeah, so this shade is very light, and I think it's actually kind of like a sheen, like a cream sheen. What's that? Y'all remember? Y'all remember MAC's Finish Luster? It's kind of like that type of finish, so it's not super opaque. So yeah, that's this color. All right, so the next shade I'm gonna try is this one right here. It's called White Wine, and it looks like this. Super pretty. Looks like it's right up my alley. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is cute too. I definitely need to do a little more work. I wouldn't wear it just like this. I have to play with it a little bit more, you know, put some more lip liner on, you know, but yeah. Okay, next color. This right here is the shade called Champagne. Ooh, this shade is pretty. This goes well with my look. I like this. And I have one more color to try on, but I think I want to wear this one with this look. And this is the shade called Moscato. I've already tried this one. I had it on in my video with the Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette. And this is like a light nude, almost like grayish color. This is cute too, but I would like have to top it with a deeper nude gloss. I wouldn't wear it just like this. But I want to wear the shade Champagne because that color was cute. That was my favorite one. All right, so these are the lippies. I like this one the best, the Champagne shade. Super cute. Now I want to swatch the palette for you guys. All right, so here are the swatches. And yeah, super pretty. All right, so this palette has 14 shades in here. One of them is a pressed glitter. You do get a good amount of shimmers and mattes. I really like, you know, it being split. If I ever had to pick, I would like more mattes in a palette than shimmers. Also, it has depth for me. Listen, you know, a wash of color, you know, it's pretty, it's cute, it's nice, but I like depth, okay? I like to put a little something deeper on my eye. So I like the fact that this shade right here and this one, they go pretty deep. They go deep, okay? And that red shade, that is a really pretty red. It's a nice red matte. And then this is the cover of the palette. So, ooh, y'all see me in the viewfinder? Hey, y'all. But yes, you do get a mirror on it. It is magnetized, so it just kind of sticks. On the back, it tells you all the ingredients and everything you would need to know about the palette. This is it. You can pause the video if you would like to. If you'd like to read that. The palette, I'm not sure the price. They haven't released the prices just yet. But I was looking at her website and all the other palettes that she sells, none of them are more than $30. So I'm assuming it's gonna be the same thing with this. The lashes on her website, they normally are about $10. I think that's gonna be the price. And then the lipsticks, I think this is the first time she's doing regular traditional lipsticks. She does have liquid lipsticks on there and glosses, so I'm not too sure on the prices, but for the most part, it seems rather affordable. It seems rather affordable, so I love it. This palette is going to, or this entire collection is going to be releasing on the 5th, which is the day that I'm going to have this video going up. Hold on, my friend is calling me. Alrighty, darlings, bye. All right, I just had a phone call with two friends. Okay, so I don't even know where I stopped at talking to you guys. What was I talking about last? I was talking about prices. We talked about that. All right, so this entire collection is going to be dropping on November 5th, which is the day that I will be uploading this video, or at least like posting it. Yes, I will have the links down below if you want to shop this. If you do decide to shop through any of these links, I do earn a small commission. You don't have to, but if you do, thank you so much. Also, I do have a discount code with them. It's just Ask Whitney if you want to, you know, save some money. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, we like to save our coins over here. But yes, you guys, the palette was beautiful. It went on really well. The mattes had no issues blending them out. It went on pretty opaque. The shimmers were gorgeous. I only used one shimmer. I realized that. I use a lot of the mattes in this palette. Like I use 5 mattes on my eyes and 1 shimmer. But they're pretty. This shade right here, Crispin, oh my gosh. I want to play with that color so bad. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.